Hi there, this is Suzanne. Welcome to Sweet Tea and Whimsy. Today, I would like to spend just a few moments sharing my simple Thanksgiving tablescape with you. If you've watched some of my earlier videos, you may remember that I've told you in the past, I'm not sure what my style is. When I watch other videos and some of my favorite YouTubers and just some that I come across, I'm amazed that they can tell you to a T what their style is. Well, over the years, you would think that I would have become better acquainted with understanding what my particular decorating style is. However, I haven't gotten there. So now I tend not to just box myself in to a particular style. I just gravitate toward things that are beautiful and things that make me smile and make me happy. And what happens is there always tends to be a little bit of whimsy in my decorating. And to me, what I like most about the things that I put together is they have been collected over time. They are just pieces here and there that I have picked up thrifting, and somehow or another they all just come together to make pretty statements, pretty vignettes, pretty tablescapes. And this is an example of one of those times where things that have been collected over time just come together to create a real warm and cozy Thanksgiving tablescape. This year, when I look at this tablescape, I just feel warm. I feel warm and cozy, and looking at all of these pieces that I have put together, I'm proud because these are pieces that I just went to the cabinets, randomly pulled out, and put them together. And to me, it creates a wonderful, warm feeling. Now, I totally understand that not everyone's style is the same. However, most of you are like me, and even if you see something that's not particularly your style, you can appreciate the look and the style that someone's going for. So looking at this tablescape, the thing that I like most and the thing that probably bothers some people is the use of so many different kinds of fabrics, so many different kinds of decor pieces, and so many different kinds of metal. To me, there are no rules. I tend to put together things that I like. And on this table, guys, you're going to see that I put together a little bit of everything. And almost everything on this table is either handmade or thrifted. can we stop a moment and just stare at this beautiful crocheted, handmade table linen? It is absolutely gorgeous. It is a piece that I found at an estate sale. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but it is absolutely beautiful on a table. It's beautiful on a bed, and I just find that it's one of my greatest treasures. It is, and is absolutely lovely. Now, the copper tray in the center of the table is very, very old. I believe that I purchased it at one of the local thrift stores, and I really think it's a stunning piece. It has a lot of patina, and it goes well with some of the other mixed metals. I've mixed a lot of brass and wooden pieces, an old wooden drawer, and I love the old handle on this wooden drawer. There's some handmade pumpkins that I've put there, and there's some wild turkey feathers that I got from my brother. I've got a couple of wicker pieces on the table, and then some pretty tea goblets and glass salt and pepper shakers. And from everything that I've mentioned so far, you can tell that most people wouldn't put these things together necessarily, but when they are put together, I think that it creates a real warm, vintage, collected over time look. And one thing that I really like about these brown rimmed dishes that are on my table is these are the same type of dishes my mother had when we were growing up. Some of these here on the table are just trimmed in brown, which mother had those, and I also have some more in the cabinet that have some flowers on them trimmed in brown, and then some for summer that are trimmed in yellow. And to me, that is just a real fun collection to have. It reminds me of my childhood and growing up with these same dishes. So again, mixing and matching metals and unique pieces, just pieces that you love, create a real timeless, classic look. Now, again, we're not having Thanksgiving at our house this year. We will be going to the homes of other family members, but we will be serving a warm pound cake with coffee and cream cheese. So I do have the side table set up and ready for that small event that we will have. So just take your time and look at some of these pictures, and hopefully you will be inspired to try something different. And I hope that you and your family have a wonderful and blessed Thanksgiving.